AppSumo just launched 8 new deals today, and in this video, I want to tell you what they are and give you my quick hot take on each one. Now, if you want me to do a full review on any one of them, just let me know by leaving a comment. Now, the 8 tools that launched today are Swipe 1, Oscr AI, we also have Upbase, Modular DS, SalesNexus, Disctopia, Latch, and CryptoHero. Now, I put them in my Notion spreadsheet of my recommended and must-have SaaS tools to grow your business. Now, I update this regularly, so if you want free access to this Notion spreadsheet, just click the link in my description. Swipe 1. Now, this is a new AI-powered CRM, marketing automation, and email marketing tool from the founders of Swipe Pages. And it has a really clean UI UX that reminds me of Notion. And this is an alternative to HubSpot. So one of the biggest selling points of Swipe 1 is their CRM. You can view, filter, organize, and manage all of your contacts from inside the tool. They also have marketing automation as well that are called workflows. So you can trigger your workflow if someone does a specific action, and then you can send them personalized emails or change their status inside the CRM. And one of the most unique features is their AI agents. You could use them to create tailor-made workflows and email campaigns. They also will help you generate emails, tweets, and LinkedIn posts. And they also do email marketing as well. You can add dynamic tags like first name, last name in the emails. They have tons of pre-built templates and AI-generated content. Now, this tool is only available for Plus members this week only and at the lowest cost. So it starts at $59 for license tier 1. You get 2,500 contacts. You can send 25,000 email sends per month and have 250 AI credits per month. You can use your account with one team member, one workspace, and add one domain. And you'll also get these other features at the bottom here as well. But if you want access to A/B testing, sales email sequences, pipelines and deals, and if you want to remove the Swipe 1 branding from your emails, you would need to get license tier 2 or higher. And the higher you go up also unlocks more limits. Keep in mind that this deal is tied to all future scale plan updates. Now, earlier today, I published a full review and demo of Swipe 1. So if you want to check that out, just click the link on the top right-hand corner of this video. Oscr AI. Now, this tool allows you to generate blog posts from your videos. You can even generate LinkedIn posts and even turn long essay material into more consumable blog posts. You can also find trendy news content and turn that into blogs and social content. This tool kind of reminds me of Blaze AI. Now, Oscr AI transforms any source content, including blog posts, news articles, and YouTube videos, and it turns them into posts that fits your own brand identity. You can also monitor thousands of RSS feeds to find what's currently trending in your niche and turn those blog articles into social media posts. So right here, you can create ready-to-publish content that's tailor-made for your specific audience using the existing data that you give it. So you basically follow a 3-step process that automates your content workflow. So the first step is where you can do your discovery and research of various news articles in your niche. Then you can turn that into a blog post and then repurpose it as well. Now, Oscr AI is also a Plus exclusive for this week only, and you can get this at the lowest cost possible before it increases next week. So this starts at $69 for license tier 1. It gives you 300 credits per month, 30 minutes of YouTube video transcript length, and all of these other features. But if you want team collaboration and custom integrations, then you would need to get tier 3. Now, keep in mind that this AppSumo deal is tied to all future growth plans for tier 1 and superstar plan for tier 2 or the business plan if you get tier 3. Upbase. Now, this is a productivity tool that helps you keep track of all of your tasks, your time. You can also manage all of your files, and even set calendar invites and set deadlines in them to make sure you are keeping track of all of your projects. And you can also use the platform to chat with your team. And this is an Asana alternative. So Upbase is back on AppSumo. This currently has close to 300 reviews. So it's a pretty popular tool that AppSumo launched previously. So with Upbase, you can use their scheduling feature to see at a glance who's doing what on any given day by looking at the calendar. And if you use Google Docs and Google Sheets, you can embed them into the Docs section for quick access right inside your projects without having to leave the tool. And you can chat with your team in real time. You can share links and articles and media files all within the platform. Now this deal starts at $59 for Plan 1. Keep in mind that the price will increase next week. So with Plan 1, you get 3 total team members, you get 1 premium workspace, and all of these other features. Now I really like how this AppSumo deal is structured, because if you want to increase your limits of total team members or number of premium workspaces, then you'll need to upgrade. But all of the other features are included across all plans. And keep in mind that this AppSumo deal is tied to all future premium plan updates. And you can stack unlimited codes as well. Now code 11 and beyond will scale by 1 workspace and 3 team members. So keep that in mind. Modular DS. Now this tool allows you to manage all of your WordPress sites from one single platform. You can manage all of the updates, do backups, create reports, and there's also real-time uptime monitoring and view a vulnerability analysis for every one of your sites. This is a Pantheon.io alternative. So with Modular AI, you can maintain all of your themes, your plugins, and all of your WordPress updates from this one single dashboard to minimize any security risks that might come into play in the future. You can also get notified before your SSL certificate expires, and you can take advantage of built-in uptime monitoring to keep your websites online 24/7. And there's also cloud-based backups that help you recover from any sudden crashes or data loss that happens whenever you add a new WordPress plugin, for example. And if you use this with your clients, you can send reports to your clients that include all the updates, the backups that were made, and also the uptime status. Now, I actually offered website maintenance for clients before, where I actually did all of these updates manually, like backups, WordPress plugin updates, so on and so forth. But if I had this tool, I think it would make my daily work so much easier and quicker. Now, if you manage tons of WordPress websites for yourself or your clients, you might want to consider this. Now, the price will increase in 7 days, but right now, license tier 1 starts at $49. You could use this for 7 websites. You have 35 gigabytes of storage. You can use this for 1 user, and the uptime monitor is 5 minutes. And you get all of these other features as well. But if you want quicker uptime monitoring to 2 minutes, and also if you want to white label this plugin, you would need to get license tier 3 or higher. And this AppSumo deal is tied to all future starter plan updates. This tool is also GDPR compliant as well. SalesNexus. Now this is a CRM and marketing automation tool. You can manage leads with their pipeline features. You can also send email and SMS messages according to specific stage of the journey they are on. This is a SalesLoft alternative. As you could see, you could automatically enrich contacts with their email address, their company information, social media links, and also create custom data fields as well. And you can trigger outreach sequences with emails, text follow-ups, and call reminders for all of your new leads. And after you send a campaign, you could take a look at all of the reporting data. So how many unique contacts with opens there were, unique clicks, the open rate, so on and so forth. And you can create custom dashboards to help your sales reps meet their KPIs every quarter. Now this AppSumo deal is a Plus exclusive as well, and it is at the lowest cost right now. Now you want to get this before the price increases next week. Now, license tier 1 starts at $69. You can use it for up to 1 user. You can send 5,000 emails per month, 100 contacts enrichment per month, 2.5 gigabytes of storage per user. You can upload unlimited contacts. You can integrate with Outlook or Google. There's also website integration and RingCentral integration. Now, if you want automation rules and Zapier and API integrations, then you would need to get license tier 2 or higher. Now, this deal is tied to all future enterprise or automatic plan updates. And this deal is GDPR compliant as well. Disctopia. So with this platform, you can stream and upload music, podcasts, movies, and more. Now, this tool is for creators who can earn income from all of their work. They could receive payouts by selling direct downloads, earning music royalties from TruePlays, and selling their merch through this platform. Now, it's very similar to Ditto Music. So you can view your collection of content purchased from other creatives on the Explore page. And if you are a creator, you can sell music or podcast merch directly from the platform. And you could view your listeners' growth and platform engagement by taking a look at all of these statistics and helpful charts on the reporting dashboard. And this platform is tailored for you making money, so you can easily keep track of payouts and earnings in the payouts dashboard. Now, this deal starts at $79 for license tier 1. Now, keep in mind that prices will increase in 7 days. Now, with tier 1, you get 10 gigabytes of video upload storage per week and all of these other features. Now, if you want to remove branding from the embed player, you would need to get license tier 2. And this AppSumo deal is tied to all future Creative Plus or agency plan updates. To Latch. Now, this is an authorization control platform that lets you protect your business and reduce users' exposure to identity security threats. Now, this platform makes sure that no intruder can access your online services, and it offers an extra layer of security for your customers. And this is a Stitch.com alternative. Now, with Latch, you can control access using latches to ensure only authorized users can perform specific actions on your own platform. You can also get full visibility of user activity, pairing, and security while enabling remote latch management. You can also enable secure TOTP token generation and validation using a random number generator. And you can secure Web3 operations by adding robust authorization controls to blockchain applications. Now, this tool starts at $49, but in 7 days, the price will increase. Now, with the single code, you can use it for up to 4 applications, 50 users, and 5 maximum operations per applications, and these other features as well. But if you stack additional codes, it'll increase your applications and users. And this deal is tied to all future professional plan updates. CryptoHero. Now, CryptoHero allows you to automate your crypto trading. So you can deploy high win rate trading bots without needing to code them using various strategy templates. With features like backtesting and a paper exchange for risk-free trading, you can confidently optimize your trading strategies. Now, this is an alternative to Composer.trade. So with CryptoHero, you can access a marketplace of trading bots built by experienced traders, and you can view their stats and use them if you want. You can also customize a strategy template to match your individual trading style, and it also lets you test your strategies risk-free with paper trading. And you can save money from technical setup and simplify your own trading with AI. Now, this deal is a Plus exclusive for this week only, and it is at the lowest cost right now. Prices will increase next week. Now, license tier 1 starts at $59. You'll get 15 active bots and 15 minutes of trading frequency. But if you get license tier 2, you can get unlimited trading active bots and 5 minutes trading frequency. And this AppSumo deal is tied to all future premium or professional plan updates. Now, keep in mind that users can rent a marketplace bot, but note that this is not free. Each marketplace bot comes with its own monthly fee, so keep that in mind. Now, if you want me to do a full review and demo on any one of these tools, just let me know in the comments. And if you want access to my must-have SaaS tools for Digital Entrepreneurs Notion spreadsheet. Click the link in my description to grab this completely free. Again, I'm constantly updating this, so you'll definitely want to bookmark this for later. Now, if you enjoyed this video, let me know by hitting that like button and also subscribing to my channel. If you want to check out my other videos, feel free to click any of the ones on the screen. Thanks.